Hey, good morning YouTube. So today we're cleaning a bathroom floor. I've already completed the shower. Didn't get any of that, but it looks amazing. It turned out great. Nice white grout back in, but I've already pre-treated my floors with the Viper Venom and I'm about to scrub them now, and I'll take you through that process as we go through it. All right, we got the scrubber pushed up, and look at that. I mean, already. You can tell how much work this thing actually does for you. It just takes out that dirt, man. It does a great job. The bristles on here are real fine. I mean, look at that. I'll get behind that door in just a second. But, oh wow. Does an amazing job. I love this machine. It does the hard work for you. All that part is it doesn't really get behind the toilet as much. Sorry. You always get down there with the knees. But I always say this scrubber does probably 80% of the work, really. Without it, the results would not be this nice. As you can tell, it's white grout. And I don't know if you saw them clip before. It wasn't white when I started. So, we're going to do something right there. Wow. Looks pretty good. Yeah, this bathroom is going to turn out nice. With the other bathroom I'm going to show you guys here in a few minutes. It's even more dirty. I'll actually walk over here and show you real quick. Let's see. This is the other bathroom. Not these floors, but these floors. Look at that grout, nice and dirty. That'll be good. We're also gonna do the backsplash up here, but stay tuned. Alright, so I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear me. Continue is pretty loud. But after you scrub and get everything hooked up, and you want to clean the main floors, so where about the edges and the corners last, they get a little tedious. They can take up a little bit of your time. But this machine is very simple. It's a handheld machine. Since it's a smaller bathroom, I'm not going to break out the big stuff right now. But you just hit the button. This dude's work, man. This thing does a great job. You can see we're bringing that grout back. The nice bright color. I mean, it ain't gonna do 100% all the time, but, well, I just cleared that. I was gonna see if I could find a piece that was dirty, but I'm sure you guys seen this before. I mean, this floor is gonna look great whenever I get finished. Show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So, I'm in the midst of cleaning it, and I noticed whenever I scrub, look at all this stuff, man. Look at all that. That's what you couldn't see. So, let me get back to it. All right, everybody, there's a final look at the floors. Nice and white again. You know, the grout looks real good. A few spots that are missing some grout, but nothing I can do about that. Show you the shower one more time.